Imagine tossing a winning $1 million ticket into the trash. Every day you repeat that mistake, just slower and quieter. Willpower is a battery, and skipping lattes drains it by breakfast. $2 saved today gets lost in checking account quicksand. Automation moves money before you even notice it exists. Set it once, then guiltlessly order the truffle fries. Debating protein bar brands won't melt the belly fat. Focus on 2 levers, earn more, invest early. Negotiate one $5K raise. It repeats every year forever. Plant the oak at 25, let decades of rain grow it. Wait until 35, and the same rain yields half the trunk. Maya invests $100 monthly for 10 years, then stops cold. Jordan starts at 35, invests the same $100 for 30 years. At 65, Maya still retires with nearly twice as much. The lesson: direction beats perfection when time is your wingman. Open the account ugly, fund it with $50 today. Bump the contribution 1% every quarter. You'll barely feel the pinch. While you sip that overpriced latte, your robot builds your million in the dark. Wealth isn't magic, it's systems plus time. Set the automation tonight, wake up richer tomorrow.